Hey guys, this is Himanshu. Welcome again in another blog, and today I'm reviewing the Tata Nexon, India's first SUV with 5-star rating by NCAP in safety. And today's our helping hand is Mr. Neeraj Pathak. So not taking much time, let's start. So guys, first of all talk about its looks and design. The design is very much impressive and color combination बहुत ही appealing और बहुत ही attractive. Attention to details is massive and बहुत ही ज़्यादा fit finish रखने की कोशिश की गई है कार को. Panel gaps और edges पर बहुत ध्यान दिया गया है. Muscular body, white ceramic strip through the front, which is giving appealing and sporty look to the vehicle. Here is the rear look is just mind-boggling, and attention to detail in rear is just awesome. Black plastic padding for rude appearance, 16-inch tires, black treatment machine cut alloy, and a massive 209 mm of ground clearance.
Talking about the boot space. Okay. So here is the electric button. You can push it here and your boot will open. There is 250 liters of boot space. You can increase by shifting the seats down. Seat will also split in 60-40 ratio also. You can split maybe this one or this one. If you fold both the seats here, the boot space will become 490 liters. The parcel tray is also adjustable. You can remove it from here. These locks are there, so you can remove it.
Twin stuff holder here and a light. Here is the spare wheel which is of 16-inch but without alloy, which is kind of cost cutting. Shark fin roof antenna, roof rails are just imposing. साथ ही guys आपको इसमें dual tone roof color black with blue के combination के साथ काफी classy और audacious लगता है, जो सिर्फ available है top variant में.
LED tail lamps. Here you can see then it can split with the boot. In this the light will also be split. It has rear wiper and defogger. These are also safety features. In mist you can drive or you can clear the fog by using the defogger and wiper. Okay. There is a small thing, very small thing, but people don't know. There is two tigers are here. So there is a message here, save the tigers.
Bold Tata's logo on the center of tailgate, rear parking sensor, rear fog lamp, rear parking camera, and a rear look is just very attractive.
Of this fog lamps is this. It's corner assisting fog lamp. When you turn your vehicle at 60-degree angle, the fog lamp is automatically on, and when you turn it back, the fog lamp is automatically off with projecting dimming.
Piano black finish hexagonal pattern grille, bold chromic Tata's logo. The front is very wild, twin barrel projector setup. The wheel edges are quite flat and the side mirrors are well integrated.
The driver seat is height adjustment, 6-way adjustable, up, down, incline, decline, and front back. This is down. Now this is incline and this is decline. Okay. Steering is also adjustable. This is tiltable. You can tilt according to your comfort. So first time in Indian cars that there is an umbrella holder. If there is rainy season, you can use your umbrella and fold it down and put put it here. And there is a drainage also available here, so water will fall outside, not inside the car. So there is, this is also a unique feature.
Let's open the glove box, and here is very sweet touch by Tata. First of all, we got a tab holder and Make in India symbol here, and glove box temperature maintained with a car cabin temperature. It is also having a twin glass holder, a card holder, a pen holder, and also a wallet holder. And we can also remove this tray. 6-speed transmission with multi-drive mode, city mode, eco mode, sport mode, and the car is also having a traction control, and the color of the infotainment system and of the console change with the drive mode. 6.5-inch infotainment system display which provide lot of information and features, also having an Android Connect and an Apple Connect with voice alert and voice command. The Nexon is fitted with 6 different types of safety sensors. And look at the dashboard, it is just fantastic. Lot of color treatment, chrome treatment with smoky touch, and look at the cubby hole, it is something that you only get in a supercar. And I must say the Nexon interior is absolutely phenomenal. So guys, here's the video, and if you enjoyed the video, then hit the like button and the subscribe button as well. Thank you support. And if you also wanna book your Nexon, then close your eyes and go ahead.